Don't go away yet. You are watching the right video now because I'm about to show you the best opportunity to own a land in Ibeju Lekki with good title and good location. So I'll be turning my camera now to show you the opportunity you have here. This is the estate behind me over there. Okay, let me take you around. Over there is the road that leads to the Lekki roundabout, the Lekki junction, and if you move my camera to the right side, and that is the road that leads to the Dangote Refinery, the Lekki Free Trade Zone, and other fantastic investment hub in Ibeju Lekki. But the estate I want to show to you is this one. Welcome to City View. It's an opportunity for you to own a land in Ibeju Lekki at an affordable price. So I'm trying to cross the road. Okay, so this property per plot we are selling 9 million all inclusive. You don't have to pay anything extra. 9 million all inclusive, and the property has Gazette as a title. It's 9.5 million naira all inclusive with the documentation. So the property right now we are selling per plot of land, and you can take advantage of it while it's still very, very cheap. You can see the environment is a developed area, and you can see the express over there. It's a busy environment already. You can also buy a commercial plot here for 10.5. If you want to do any commercial business, you can buy it here for 10.5. So what are you waiting for in terms of location, title? This is a very good investment for you. You can buy as many plots as possible, but let me shock you, we have limited plots available here. Don't miss out. The location is key. If you are looking for affordable luxury, affordable land in the heart of Lekki, Ibeju Lekki, that has a very good title and is very close to the road, here is it. Just come and invest in Stevie Estate. Don't wait to be told. I would love to assist you in securing at least a plot in this estate. Just call me on 0062632198. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget. Whatever you do, ToksRealty, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Wow! This is an opportunity of a lifetime. One thing you have to notice that land that is very close to the road doesn't wait for so long. People are rushing so fast. Just 9.5 million all inclusive. You can see the estate behind me, and that is the Lekki Express, the road that leads to the Lekki Free Trade Zone and Dangote Refinery. That's the road over there. So you can see how close it is, the estate to the estate. And that's the road that leads to the Lekki roundabout. You can see. So what are you waiting for? If you are in diaspora and you are looking for a place to put your money without problem, here you have it. This land has Gazette as a title. So in terms of legality, you are safe. You are buying a very good property. Just 9.5. Guess what? We also have flexible payment plan. You can pay from 0 to 12 months. If you are paying within 3 months, there's no interest. But if you are paying anything above 3 months, there will be some interest. So call me, send a DM, and send me a WhatsApp chat. Drop your comment for any questions you have on this estate. And the allocation is instant. You can buy and build. You can buy and keep. You can buy and keep, and your property will be safe in this estate forever. I would love to assist you. I remain engineer Statutory, ToksRealty. I would love to assist you to at least own a property within this estate. Thank you.